Welcome. Let's do that again. Hello and welcome to number 43 of the 100-day project.
Wait, wasn't yesterday number 43?
Oh my gosh, I've done it again. Okay. Welcome to number 44 of the 100-day project. Thank you, Mia. I am LeNette, LeNette's Arts for BRAVA BETTERFLIES.
Hello.
And this is Mia Moore from Mia Moore TV. And today, for the 100-day project, we are going to work with watercolors. Yes. And so, I have these watercolor pencils. I don't think I may have tried this once.
They look weird.
Yeah, I don't know.
Rainbow.
But I got them at the Dollar Tree like a while back. And because they were $1, I decided I'd buy them and try them. So here we have orange like that. And I'm not sure what color that is. So yeah, let's give this a go. I know I put water somewhere. Maybe not. Okay, I have brushes here.
We don't talk about water right now.
Yeah, let's give this a go. I know I put water somewhere.
Okay.
You gotta have water to do watercolor.
Can you also use water, some mineral water to drink? All right. At this point, Hi again.
at this point,
You didn't know what you're doing.
At this point, I am just kind of fiddling with this paint to see what it does, I guess, because I don't like, kind of like the lines. I tried the pencil, but it clearly leaves like a line underneath. I can see like the line, the paint comes out when you wet it, but it still leaves like a line. So you can see, I like that it's leaving the veins underneath here in the red. And this is, I don't know, it's all right, but I'm just experimenting with it really.
I like it.
Yeah, Mia's all done.
Wait, I want to do another page though.
You're on number 3.
Yeah, I want to do my number 4 now.
Okay.
I am a artsy girl.
Yeah.
Also a Roblox girl. Because I don't know.
It's all right.
I don't know, okay? I don't know.
All right, so we're just gonna keep on
Good. Yeah, good job.
experimenting here and see what it becomes in the end.
Meow.
While I thought I had it on time lapse, that was wrong. And this didn't record any of this. But I just kept on, I guess, fiddling with it and trying to blend the colors. just as best as I could without having there be, I guess, kind of like definite lines or like streaks. I want to say, yeah, I think I was more trying to avoid the streaks. And then I saw Mia doing her like little splatters, and so I started doing the little splatters, but like kind of bigger. Hers were really tiny, and I like them larger. I like the effect. So I'm just outlining now with this black. We'll see how it really looks when it dries though, because it tends to like dry lighter. Again, I've not really used watercolor in the past. This is not my go-to. It's not my go-to medium for art. I'm not well trained, or I'm not trained at all in watercolor. So this is all an experiment for me, and a fun one because I like the mix of colors. I did when I was finally I want to say able to let go. I let go of it, and then that's when like the colors started kind of blending better, I want to say. And I've seen some art, and I like, and I've seen the splats and that type of deal, but I've seen really fine watercolor work, lots of details. I don't think I have the brushes for that. Either way, yeah, I would definitely wouldn't mind some lessons. It's pretty cool to see it. I like the light and the dark. I like the way this black is coming out, or outlining rather, even though I probably should have I should have a thinner brush for sure. That'll probably help. What I'm doing right now. But I'm just gonna let it be. And just take this as my first watercolor piece, because again, I have not painted anything with watercolor like this, so it is what it is. I'm trying to get this back here. And then I'd like to add the antennae. Yeah, you really can't see the veins anymore. And I don't know. That's cool. That's what it's gonna be. Let it be. So this is 44. 100. the year.
2020.
All right, so this is number 44 of my 100-day project using watercolor on watercolor paper. And this is what has come about. It's, you know, it's not too bad. It's all right, I guess. You know, just messing with it. This is what I was doing with the paint. I'm just splatting. Right now I'm just splatting water and see what happens to it. Maybe when I learn some more, maybe I'll watch some YouTube videos or get a book or something and then mess around with it a little bit more. But that's it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed what you got to see, since my recording didn't record me. My time lapse didn't come out. Yeah, I wasn't recording. So, yeah, number 44, 100. All right, y'all, see you in the next one. Be brave like I just was and just go for it.
Bye.
See you in the next one.